Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're all doing well, staying safe and busy, not getting too bored. I know it's hard sometimes, but hope that everything's going okay. No Seymour today, but his brother will be in the video tomorrow. So a little sneak peek into that. Today, what we're doing is right here. Before I tell you this, just remember that if you ever need anything, support with anything inside of school or outside of school, you can reach me with email, Schoology message, or fill out the if you need anything form in this folder here, or you can just come and join my office hours. Okay, this is that click here if you need anything form. All right. So our learning objective for today is I can build on my knowledge of the Harlem Renaissance and explain how African American artists, musicians, athletes, authors, and other figures excelled during this time. Excelled means like thrived or like were really successful. Okay, that's kind of what you read about. You read about the background information of the Harlem Renaissance. Now you're going to read about a few actual figures and I mean a little bit more background information, but then also like just some figures that excelled and kind of started this movement of African American celebration and art. Okay, so first watch this video like always, and then you're going to try to go on and practice some vocabulary again because we have that quiz tomorrow. The quiz is on those words that were in the article that you read the last 2 days. So if you've not practiced yet, I suggest doing that. It's not required, but the quiz is required, and that's tomorrow, and that will be graded. Okay? So make sure you practice before you just go into the quiz, because those words were kind of difficult. Then you're going to complete the Harlem Renaissance, the rise of African American art, music, and literature, part 1 assignment. Part 2 is going to be Friday, because we have our quiz tomorrow. And then join my office hours if you haven't yet. And as always, stay rad. All right. So, this is the folder for today, Wednesday. The assignment's not in there yet, but I will be uploading that or adding that in just after this video. This is what it looks like, though. So this is the assignment that you're going to be doing today. This is part 1. Miss Marin and I, like collaborating, the other 6th grade English teacher, she helped we both made this together like we do with a lot of our assignments. So there's some videos in here that are of her talking, I believe. I added some of this stuff. I don't know what she added yet, but each slide should have a video for you to watch. See this big link here? So click on that and then pull up the video. Same here. And then there's directions for other slides. Like this one has other videos you can watch. You don't need to watch all of them. You're going to be learning about the Harlem Globetrotters today. You might have heard of them. That started during this time as well. So, yeah. These questions are a little bit long, but if you need any help, just, email me or come into office hours and ask. I think it's really straightforward. It's just it's a little more reading for the each question, but you should be fine. All right. I think that's all for today. Let me know if you need anything or have any questions. If I missed anything, then I'll probably realize right after this video. All right, everybody. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later.